taxes, your truck, and your road to success in the trucking industry.
Now, back to Trucking Business and Beyond, the show that puts the money where it belongs.
Back in your pocket.
Welcome back. I'm Kevin Rutherford. We're here live today. The number to join us, 8888 Road Dog. We're talking about all kinds of things. Grab your pen and get ready to write, because I've got a very cool announcement. You know, we do a lot of special projects with our partner companies, and they bring a lot to us. And we certainly appreciate that. And one of the companies I really just love working with is Smarttruck. And I've said many times that Smarttruck, they do a tremendous amount of testing on aerodynamics. I've said that aerodynamics are really tricky. We look at things that look obvious, like if you do this, this should work. Side skirts, for example. I think we all believe that side skirts should just work. The problem is they don't always work. Some do, but what we've learned on aerodynamics is small changes can make big differences, and lots of companies are producing products that just don't work. They're not tested. Sometimes the minor differences in looks can be very different in performance. For example, Smarttruck figured out that just moving the under tray back or forward an inch or two made a difference in the aerodynamic performance. They figured out that their aerodynamic device that goes on the back edge of the trailer didn't need to come all the way down to the bottom of the trailer. With testing over and over and over and over, they figured out it only had to come down about 2/3 of the trailer, and they got the same exact performance as if they brought it all the way down. They figured out that you didn't need a giant nose cone on the front of the trailer to improve aerodynamics. You just needed a very well-designed wedge piece on the front. They call it their lead edge. And they have been very, very good about sharing all of their information with us so that we can share it with you. And that's what we consider the big win-win when we work with companies. They give me access to their engineers. They give me access to all their test data. They keep us up to date on what they're learning about aerodynamics, and they are constantly working to improve the aerodynamics, and they've been very successful at it. So they are doing something now that I think is very cool. They are looking for people who have a Smarttruck component, any of their components. Maybe it's the full-blown system, or maybe it's just one piece. And they want to hear your story. So I'm going to give you the way to submit the story in just a second. So get something to write with, and I'll give that to you, but I'll tell you more about what we're doing. What they're looking for is they want you to take a picture of the device on the truck and then kind of just write a quick story about, you know, when you got it or how you got it, how it's making a difference in your operation, how much are you saving if you've been tracking that, and what your overall experience has been with the Smarttruck component. And if you send that in, it puts you in a drawing, and you could win a gift package from Smarttruck. And I think I'll have to go look at the details, but I think It's up to a $500 gift card that you can use anywhere. So it's kind of like $500 in cash. So it's a plus. We're seeing some great stories out of this. I love. I guess there's a gift package that you get just for submitting, and then you could possibly win up to $500 if they choose your story and they're going to highlight it. We're going to highlight it, and we're just going to have a lot of fun with this. The easiest way to submit your story is to go to our website, letstruck.com, and you will see it right there on the home page. You can't miss it. It's when you land there, it says, tell us your Smarttruck story. You click on it, and it takes you right to the page that explains the program and tells you what you might win and what you're going to get, and shows you exactly what you need to do. So check that out and start submitting your stories. And we haven't worked out all the details yet, but I would love to get some of the people who submit stories and have them come on the air with us and talk about the difference that it's made for them. And again, Smarttruck's just been a great partner for us. And we'd love to hear back from you, the people who have their product and are experiencing the savings and the benefits. So check that out. Again, go to our website, letstruck.com, and click on the link and just follow the directions. And we'd love to hear from you.